Buffets, and I'm the Equestrian Director here at Greenville University. I would like to extend an invitation to you to attend a clinic held at the Kit Carson Arena on June 15th of this year. At this clinic, we're excited to offer the experience to work on the ground with your horse by learning some natural horsemanship techniques. These techniques are designed to build communication, trust, respect, and control with your horse. To give you an idea of some of the things that we're going to be working on, you can think about some things that might apply to you on the ground with your horse. Maybe you're struggling with ground manners. Maybe your horse runs over the top of you or is just generally nervous. Maybe they don't like fly spray on them. Maybe they are struggling to stand tied quietly. Or maybe you have issues getting your horse in and out of a trailer and you'd just like to have some more control. You'd like your horse to be calmer and more relaxed. These are some of the issues that we're going to be addressing at this clinic. We want to open this clinic up to all levels, from beginner to advanced. And we hope that you'll come and just have an open mind, willing to learn and apply what you know to help better yourself and your partnership with your horse. So I hope that you will accept our invitation to attend our clinic in Colorado. I'm excited to meet you and I look forward to seeing you there.